Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang between year 2015 and year 2023. I'm talking about 6th generation Ford Mustang. If you're trying to find the fuse for the ABS traction control module, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, why it's important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses at a fraction of the price. All that will be covered today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation, from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on a 5.0 GT V8 engine, but even if you have the 2.3 4-cylinder EcoBoost, it will work as well. We will open the hood, guys, we'll support it right here, and let's explain where that fuse is located. ABS traction control module now, guys, is located right here. That's your computer. We'll have a special video that explains how to test ABS pump, ABS traction control module, and how to repair, guys. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. So here, when we open the hood, this is the fuse box that we have. That's where we'll be working. You need to press right here, open it, and right here on the inside, guys, you have the fuse numbers and the relays, okay, and the layout printed to what corresponds practically right here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now let's talk, guys, if you need to buy cheap fuses, you have up to 4 different kinds of fuses, and those are expensive fuses, guys, at part stores. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price. Relays as well, all that will be covered, okay, in the description of the video below. Fuse that you need to check will be in that, guys, okay, in that fuse panel right here, talking about that one right there. So which one we need to check? Fuse number 62. So in that left row will be the third 1, 2, 3. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it 1, 2, 3. Talking about that 5M fuse that we have right here. That's for the ABS and traction control module that you need to check, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.